Friends, today we're taking you to a city that is not just a capital, but the very heartbeat of its country. Welcome to Tehran, the largest and one of the most influential cities in Iran. Tehran is globally known for its fast-paced lifestyle, modern architecture, and stunning views surrounded by mountains. But this city is more than just modern buildings. It's a place where tradition and modern life exist side by side. On one hand, you'll find centuries-old palaces, mosques, and traditional bazaars. And on the other, tall skyscrapers, trendy cafes, and wide urban roads. This contrast is what makes Tehran truly unique. Geographically, Tehran is located in the northern part of Iran, along the slopes of the Alborz Mountains. Because of this, the city enjoys a relatively cooler climate. Winters often bring snowfall, while summers are quite pleasant. Looking back in history, Tehran was once just a small town. But in the 18th century, during the Qajar dynasty, it was declared the capital. Since then, it has grown into a massive metropolitan city. Today, Tehran is not only an administrative center, but also a hub of education and technology. It is home to some of Iran's top universities, research centers, and tech companies, making it full of opportunities, especially for young people. Talking about population, the city has over 9 million residents, while the greater metropolitan area reaches nearly 15 million. The primary language here is Persian, though English is also understood to some extent. Now let's talk about food. Tehran offers a rich variety of delicious dishes. Famous foods like kebabs, saffron rice, fesenjan, and gourmet sabzi are loved by both locals and visitors. Street food in traditional bazaars adds a truly authentic experience. Tehran is also the political and economic center of Iran, where the country's government, parliament, and major institutions are located. When it comes to tourism, Tehran stands strong among major global cities. Millions of visitors come here every year to explore its culture and beauty. Key attractions include Golestan Palace, Azadi Tower, Milad Tower, the National Museum, and the Grand Bazaar. In terms of connectivity, Tehran is well connected to both domestic and international destinations. The main airport is Imam Khomeini International Airport. Within the city, transportation like metro, buses, and taxis are highly developed. So friends, how did you like this journey through Tehran? Let us know in the comments. And stay tuned for more stories about amazing cities around the world. Now, which country city do you want to see in the next video? If you like my efforts, please like, comment, and subscribe to become our family member.